Hey everyone. A lot of you guys like my talking videos, so I'm gonna make another one. I have this blanket around me because I'm cold, but just let me know what you want me to talk about in videos because I'm not really sure. Unless I'm like going to work or something. Yeah, unless I'm going to work or something. I don't really know what you want me to talk about. Yeah, so let me know. Ooh. Oh gosh, sorry. What's wrong with let me know what other kind of videos you guys want to see. I'm not really sure what else. Oh my gosh, I cannot stifle these. Oh my gosh. I remember what I was saying. It's a quick break, but yeah, I love it when you guys comment below and give me suggestions. So, love that. Ooh, you guys see that spray? But yeah, I love reading comments, so yeah. Whew. I think I was gonna sneeze so much today. But whew. Oh my goodness. I know a lot of you guys like talking videos, so I'm gonna try to make those more often, but sometimes it's a bit hard. Do you guys like want videos? Like I can make videos on my way to work. Maybe at work, I'm not sure. I don't get that long lunch break. And I mean, it's obviously a public place. But I could always get a few minutes in the bathroom or something. Or if you guys just like me sitting in my house. It's cool too. Just let me know in the comments and I'll try to direct my content towards whatever comments I get. Oh my gosh. sometimes I have a lot of spray, but like it's hard to see in the video. It's kind of sad. Whew. Ooh, that was a lot. You guys like longer videos? I can make longer videos when I have time, or I could stick to shorter videos. Oh, sorry, I was gonna sneeze. That too. If you guys like, say I'm gonna sneeze before I sneeze. Do that in future videos. Gosh. Whew. Oh my gosh, that was that kind of hurt. I'll do one more, but make sure leave a comment. Oh, I can't even talk. Make sure leave a comment with what you want me to do in the future. Take suggestions. Oh, that last sneeze hurt. Gosh. It's been kind of a slow day today. Wow. Okay.